Good afternoon. Michael Mazarang here again. And today we're looking at a house in Davidson, North Carolina. And we're doing what's called foundation repair, or in specific, we're doing a soil nail stabilization program to support a bowing basement wall. As you can see here on the outside, it's a pretty large home on a full basement, and the basement wall is 13 feet tall, and combined with some construction defects in concert with some hydrostatic pressure from rain and improper drainage on the home, we have a severely deflecting wall. And today we're going to go over that. A soil nail retention system is kind of like a geo product. This is an engineered design. Working with a local engineering firm, the engineer designed a series of soil nails, which is a grouted rod which penetrates into the basement wall. And once the rod is grouted, stabilizes this wall from additional movement. And as you can see here, we can see where the crew has installed 4 of these soil nails here. And you can see where this wall is deflecting, and quite a significant shearing symptom here. And you can see that the builder did not reinforce the wall with rebar, which also accelerated the problem. But as you can see, 13 feet tall, so the crew is having to install the soil nail program on scaffolding. And you can see here some of the units that were installed previously. And sweet, you got it. We're going to hopefully get to see some live action as they put the latest location in. Here we are on the other side of the basement, adjacent to the garage wall. You'll see some more cracking here, and also some effervescence symptoms, which also show us that the wall does have a drainage problem and water is getting inside the wall, which also creates that force which can push these basement walls in. And certainly a wall that's 13 feet tall is certainly going to have some challenges if it's not properly constructed. And here from this perspective, we're able to see the next location that will be installed. And because of the size of the wall, the engineer spec'd out 2 rows of these walls, or 2 rows of these nails. And what will be the finished product will be a piece of C channel that goes up and down, which will complete the lateral bearing on the wall and give it the strength that it needs to survive for the rest of the duration of this structure, with the life of structure transferable warranty. And certainly, these systems are much more cost efficient than using a manufactured system. The manufactured systems would increase the cost of the job by an additional 30 to 40%. Since this system is custom made from scratch, we're able to buy products locally and enjoy supporting local steel companies, local vendors, contractors, where we purchase our products. So again, a soil nail retention system to stabilize a bowing basement wall. And we'll stand by here for a second. We'll actually see an installation. So as you can see here, we've watched the installation of the drilling part of installing a soil nail retention system. And this is a limited access drilling product. As you can see, we have no need of heavy pieces of equipment. It's all done with hand equipment, which gives us an advantage over the traditional older systems that may have been deployed. Certainly much more of a eloquent way of installing a nail system. And with these soil nails are grouted. Once they've completed the installation, they hook up a small line, bash plant, and they grout each one of these individually. And so once they're completed, you've got a 20 pip anchor, which is certainly more than double what is required for the load capacities for the wall stabilization plan, and all done with engineering oversight. So when customers call us, we bring in a local engineering firm to design the repair, to actually calculate the loads and determine how many, the size of the channel that's going to be deployed, and of course the spacing of the nails, all done by a licensed engineer. So we certainly we try to abide by what the state of North Carolina likes to see in terms of installing a product like this. And so if you have any questions about a soil nail retention system on a basement wall, certainly we'd appreciate a phone call. You can contact us at the number under your screen, or you can get on the website and reach out to us that way. But hopefully you've learned a little bit about a soil nail retention system on a basement wall like this. And we certainly look forward to sharing more information with you about the advantages of a system like this. And we hope that you have a good rest of the day, and we look forward to your phone call. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Take care.